it's Mina. Welcome back to another nighttime pouring episode. I'm so excited that you guys are here with me. We just did an amazing pour, Galaxy Far, Far Away. That was our mini collaboration with Masse Art Studios, honoring May the 4th, as in May the 4th be with you, May the Force be with you. And I still have some paint left. So let me show you the colors real quick in a second. This is the 18 by 24 Monet Pro Professional Quality Museum Wrap Canvas, 1.5 inch deep. Tape the back, put my push pins in. That's ready to go. I really like these. Very good quality canvases. Those are not cheap. You can get those at Blick. They're awesome though. They're really, really nice canvases to work with. Okay, let me show you my colors. The first one we were using, we have actually 3 of these Folk Art Treasure Gold series. This one is Antique Copper, and it's absolutely beautiful. Just such a pretty, pretty color. And one of my viewers sent it to me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you, and your thoughtfulness was awesome. So this is the Antique Copper. Paint's not real thick tonight. Everything is mixed with Liquitex gloss medium and paint and Floetrol, but I wanted it kind of thinner because I want to do a wandering straight pour and I want to really stretch it out. Okay, so the second Treasure Gold series we're using is Aquamarine, and this is so pretty. I'm gonna have to get more of this because I really like it. This one is just, it's amazing. It is so beautiful. I really like it. So that one's that one. And then I also have their Platinum. A little cup of this one, which is really pretty. And I really like this one, especially with those other two. It's really gorgeous. So those are our Folk Art Treasure Gold. I also have Golden's Paynes Gray, which is nice and dark and lovely. And I have Anthraquinone Blue, also from Golden's. And we have Dioxizine Purple, also from Golden. And this one has little bits of pink tourmaline in it from the last pour that we just did, the May Blossom, which was really, really fun. Everybody said it looked like an elephant's eye. It's really cool. So what else do I have? I have drips that I just scraped off my table, which are really pretty. It's all these colors mixed up. And I have some of my DecoArt Americana Decor metallics in 24 karat gold. I do also have some white standing by over there, but I don't think that I'm going to be using white. Okay, for an 18 by 24, we need about 15.5 ounces of paint. This is a 16-ounce cup, so that's perfect. Okay, when we did Galaxy Far, Far Away, I started with the Paynes Gray and the Anthraquinone Blue, and I kind of want to start with the Aquamarine for this one, because this is such a pretty color. Really, really beautiful. Okay, we're going to put some of that Platinum in there. And then we're going to come into the Anthraquinone Blue. And some of the Antique Copper. It's such a trippy color. Okay, a little bit of gold. And I think I'm going to come back to the Aquamarine again. I'm going to put some Paynes Gray on the other side of that. These are Dioxizine Purple. Some of the Platinum. Aquamarine. Back to the Anthraquinone Blue. I really like this blue. It's different than the Prussian blue. It's more like a brighter royal blue, but it works so pretty with the purples. I think it's got a red base. So it looks lovely. All right, what else do we want in there? A little bit more gold. Let's go back to the Paynes. And I'm going to end this with a nice big shot of the Aquamarine because I want that to be on the corner. Okay. All right. So the last one we did, we had sort of a runway. Sorry, I had paint all over me. We did like a runway of gold across, but I think actually what I want to do is I want to thin this out, the rest of my gold, and I want to use it as kind of a base coat. That's kind of about 1/2 ounce of water, 3/4 ounce of water. A little bit more. I just want a thin coat of gold on there because what I want to happen is as I pour the cup, wow, the cup looks so cool. down as I pour the cup and stretch it out and get that paint super thin. I want gold cells to pop up. So we're just gonna put this around. Okay, let's do this. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness? You're still Chewbacca. And here we go. Okay, that's awesome. I love it. Look how cool it is. Okay, that's really cool. I'm very happy with that. All right, so I just want to put a little bit of the drips on either side of this as a flow extender. That's cool. All right, let's tilt this out. This is so pretty. I like it. Let's torch it first. Wow, I love this and this. That's amazing. Okay. Let's see, let's go that way first since we're closest to that side. Yeah, see, I'm glad I put that flow extender on there. Okay, like that. And come back. Look how pretty that is! I love it. That's cool. I'm happy. Take that all the way down. Right off the corner. One little edge over here that doesn't seem like it got covered very well. Okay. That's pretty cool. That's cool. That one needs some coverage. Okay, that's looking kind of awesome. I love that. Just take it down just a little bit. That looks awesome. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna wipe my hands off and we're gonna torch it again and see if anything else wants to pop up. But I'm very happy with the colors in this. I love that sort of light to dark gradient going from the lightest color up, the aquamarine in there, and a little bit of the blues with that antique copper, and then the darker Paynes gray underneath. That's really pretty. And this is awesome, this line in there. Very cool. I love this. I love that contrast. Yay! Okay. So we may actually get more gold cells popping up through here, like they're starting to have some over here at the edge. And if I tilt, well, here, let's tilt it down a little bit, and then we'll come back. Just to open up the edges and really allow any of that gold that wants to pop up through it to come through. Okay, I love that. I don't even want to touch it anymore. I think it looks cool. Okay, we're gonna leave that just like that, and I will show you guys this one when it's dry. Thank you guys so much for being here with me. You guys make this so much fun, and I really appreciate each and every one of you spending time with us. If you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing. Sharing videos is always a lovely way to thank us. Anyway, thanks for being here. I'll see you when it's dry. Okay. So this is a few days later. We have a friend who's decided to join us. Hello, bird. I think that's a robin. She's been hanging out all morning. Okay, so this is Galaxy Far, Far Away. You guys, I love how this one turned out. I really there's so much amazing things happening in this one. That aquamarine from the Folk Art Treasured Gold is just popping against some of these darker colors. And I'm loving the antique copper, also from the Folk Art Treasured Gold series. Just really, really pretty. There she is again. Oh, hi. Okay. Anyway, yeah, we have the Paynes gray that's in here that creates that pretty shadow and that depth. And I love it with the 24 karat gold, and I love what the antique copper is doing over there. It's really, really copper. A few cute little gold cells up there at the top. I love this part. And that swath of antique copper right in here. This part's so pretty. Just gorgeous. And the Paynes grays created a lot of depth and shadow in there, which is awesome. And these gold cells are just so cute. And more aquamarine and the Dioxizine Purple down there with some Anthraquinone Blue. Really, really pretty. I like that little cloud, and of course this part is lovely with all those beautiful aquamarine cells popping up through the Anthraquinone Blue and that Dioxizine Purple. Really neat. So this is awesome. This is Galaxy Far, Far Away, and I wanted to show you guys in the sun now that it's dry. And I'll go get our Galaxies apart pour from today. Gail just started blowing, so we're just going to give her a second to blow herself out. So this one is the one we poured today, Galaxies Apart. I love this piece. I hope you guys can see that sort of gasoline kind of iridescence in there. That really, really cool gradient from the gold to the antique copper. And then over here on the side, I guess that must be the aquamarine on top of the Anthraquinone Blue. Just really pretty, and it's so cool because it's kind of simple, but there's a lot of depth in there, and there's some shadow in there. And I see galaxies coming up on this side, and some really pretty little cells. And I really like the aquamarine cells there. And I love this part with that antique copper and the Dioxizine Purple. Really pretty. So this is awesome. This one is Galaxies Apart. Thank you guys so much for being here with us. I hope you have a beautiful day. That robin's back again. Hi. Hi, bird. So cute. What's up, honey? Okay, anyway. Thank you guys for being here. I will see you guys on Sunday for our Mother's Day pour. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.